This is Beverley in East Yorkshire. It's a rural market town steeped in tradition, but in at least one respect it's bucking the trends. It's home to a branch of Handelsbanken, a local relationship bank that is committed to serving local communities across the UK, using the timeless and sustainable values it's been built upon.
We've got a really nice mix of customers, from personal customers right through to sort of large corporates, but predominantly we look after a lot of the sort of smaller SME marketplace, trading businesses and property owners. Relationships really are the key. It's not about products, we don't have any sales targets or anything of that nature. It really is putting the customer at the heart of everything that we do. And by having satisfied customers, actually our bank grows and becomes profitable.
While other banks have been cutting back their local branches, Handelsbanken has been expanding theirs, and they now have more than 200 in the UK.
For us, economic sustainability means that we take a long-term view in everything we do. We want to have a long-term relationship with our customers, and that's why we don't have product or sales targets, but always starts with the customer's needs. In Handelsbanken, we only have one financial goal, which is to have the better profitability than our peers, and that should be achieved by having more satisfied customers and lower costs than our peers. And the last two things are really, really important because it gives us an advantage both today and also in the long term.
That approach appears to be working. In an independent survey of British banking customers, Handelsbanken has had the highest number of satisfied customers for over a decade. Among them is Steve Jagger, who runs a portfolio of businesses from his farm back up near Beverley.
The service with Handelsbanken, it's different because there's most definitely the personal touch there. You can talk to the same group of people every day. There's a continuity. They always find the time to speak to us. It's just a much easier experience. The business side of it, our private banking, the wealth management, they all talk to each other, all very friendly. There's a real feeling that they care. I certainly aren't looking for another bank, let's put it that way.
Among Steve's overriding concerns are sustainability and ethical investment, values which fit well with the ethos of Hartwood, Handelsbanken's investment management arm in the UK.
Hartwood's main area of activity is multi-asset investing. That means creating portfolios which are diversified by asset type, so equities, bonds, commodities, hedge funds, other alternatives, but are also diversified by region. Our funds have two measures of success. One is clearly financial performance, and the other is whether we can have a positive environmental, social and governance impact. But ultimately, our success is determined by whether our clients are happy, whether they stick with us, whether they refer us, and on all those metrics we score really well.
The fact that we now have become a fully licensed UK bank really shows the bank's commitment to the UK. We are here to stay. Even if we have been here in the UK for a few decades now, our journey has really just begun. And we still see a huge potential in this country, and we will continue to grow branch by branch and customer by customer many years ahead.